Good morning, all. We are going to perform one experiment on exhaust gas analyzer by using this device. The name of device is exhaust gas analyzer. We are going to perform exhaust gas analysis test on a vehicle. See, in this device there are various buttons. First button you see here is the button of standby. Second is the purge. Third is the merge. When we press this button, then the readings in this display are measured and the hard copy of that reading is taken from this device. Next is the up and down button, and second one is the print. When we press the print button, then print is generated like this. You can see the print. Up till now we have not performed any experiment, that's why the readings you can see here are all the zero values. This is the back side of the exhaust gas analyzer. Here you can see this is the carbon filter, this is dust filter, and this is again a dust filter. From this filter we can separate the dust particles also. So from this device exhaust gas is taken in, and the contents of that exhaust gas in terms of carbon monoxide, water vapor, etc. are measured. This is the pipe that we have to insert in the silencer. So after starting the instrument, first of all we have to take the leak test. For that purpose, first of all we will insert the cap into this wall. See, we have inserted the cap. Now the leak test is beginning. This is the timer. This is the CO2 by percentage by volume. See here the leak test is running. I will pause the video and after the end, yes, here the leak test is passed. After the leak test is passed, we have to remove the cap like this. So the cap is removed now. See, during this time what happens, whatever the exhaust gases that are trapped inside the pipe and instrument, that are purged out during this time period. So this instrument takes some time to purge out the exhaust gases from entire system. This is the 4-gas analyzer. In this 4-gas analyzer, 4 gases are analyzed. First one is the hydrocarbon, second one is the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. These 4 gases and their percentage by volume in the exhaust gas is analyzed, and the value is printed on the note. That's why it is known as 4-gas analyzer. After the purging operation, this display gives the message of ready, means this instrument is ready to measure the exhaust gases. Now the valve is inserted in the vehicle while the vehicle is in idling position. Now we have inserted the valve inside the exhaust silencer of the vehicle. Now after pressing the measure button, it will record the amount of exhaust gases present in that exhaust. Press. So we have pressed the measure button. Automatically it will measure the percentage of various gases present in that exhaust. See this, here you see the readings are varying. When the reading gets stable, then we will press the print button, and after that the stable readings that we will obtain. Here you can see the exhaust gas analyzer and a vehicle. We have pressed the print button and we have got the reading. These are the readings. Here we have to compare these readings with respect to BS4 norms. Okay. See, this is the receipt that is printed from the exhaust gas analyzer. This is a 4 gas analyzer. The heading it shows date and time is not set, so please don't mind the date and time. We are interested in the readings of HC, means hydrocarbons. It indicating 18 ppm, means parts per million. In 1 million part there are only 18 hydrocarbon parts. Carbon monoxide percentage is 0.198% by volume. CO2 is 1.52% by volume. Oxygen is 20.84% by volume. There are no any nitrogen emissions present in the exhaust, so it is safe for environment. Now we have to compare these values of HC, CO, CO2 and O2 with respect to standard BS4 norms. After comparing, we will observe that these values are within the range. Therefore, this vehicle is non-polluting for environment. So this is our aim.